In this video, I'm going to quickly show how to create a game similar to the one I have on the screen. The biggest part of this whole process is getting the correct questions and answers. And I've already done a Control-C on these questions and answers, so I already have them in the computer's memory. And now we're going to get into actually creating that game about Peyton Pritchard of the Celtics. So I'm going to go right into use the gear on the right. I don't think you can see it on the screen, but there's a gear over there. I click that. I click that I want to create a game about Peyton Pritchard, Celtics, and say create new game. I'm going to choose a thumbnail for that, and because these are thumbnails that Jack has created, so I've already called him that. He is a, well, was he a Celtics? I think he's a Celtics. So I would pick this thumbnail because it's green. Yes, Celtics. And then I click save, and I get right into that game. Click edit. This is going to go fast. Click advanced. Click import. Do a Control V to paste. Do questions. Questions and answers are on the screen. I go to settings. I go to layout, which I'm already at layout right now. Layout. The top banner, I want to show the questions. On the buttons, I want to show the answers. So I click on the one that says show answer. Button color, because this is a Celtics, I do a green square. Click done and done. And now I need to organize these into, let's see how many questions we have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17 questions and answers. So I'm going to make 2 columns, one with 8 and then one with 9. So let's move these over to the side because we're going to put these in alphanumeric order. I'm going to just get these out of the way for now. And the rest of these are all numbers. I'm going to do a preliminary placement of these. 4 looks like the smallest number. 11. Third season, third is the smallest number. 1 over 26 is actually the smallest number. Now we've got 11. Let's put 9.6 up here between those two. 6.1 goes up there. 26, 46, 195, 1998, and then 2020. But I'm going to go to a different picture so that I can turn on my grid and have it easily show me where the grid, how to line these up correctly. Put these in alphabetical order, kind of space them out nicely. Element OP, Bob and Boston, Bob, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 8 in the second column, and I'm going to put 9 in the first column. And for aesthetics, I'm going to move these closer to the top. Maybe spread them out a little bit more. And then we've got 9 in this column. I line them up, use the grid lines. I don't need the red background anymore. I just use that so I can see the grid lines. I'm going to go back to the picture we've got. This is one I've already uploaded. Turn the grid off. Click save. First, we want to verify that these are in correct numerical order and that these are in alphabetical order. And I click save. The game is created. I'm not going to go through the whole play, but I just want to make sure that it is going to work. Exit from that. Now I want to go back to the gear over on the right. I'm going to drag Peyton Pritchard down so he's in alphabetical order. I'm putting these in alphabetical order because that's more fair than putting the Mavericks or the Celtics first. I'm looking for Peyton. I'm dragging Peyton down, the game about Peyton. Just dragging it down by clicking the down arrow. Element O and P. Peyton. So I click save. And I click save again. And as I go across here, I will see that the game is J-K-L-H-A-J. A lot of J's. Here's the game for Peyton. Click single player. Click go. And that's how easy it is to create a game. I would say that it's that easy. Thanks for watching. I actually created this game just for me and whoever might be creating games. So that's it, and thank you.